Hello, we are very happy that you have decided to measure your impact on the planet and mitigate the same. As John Donne said, no man is an island, entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main. Carbon Initiative Forum is a community driven platform that intends to create better awareness of climate change, assist you in reducing your impact, and offset the inevitable emissions through our community engagement programs in different parts of Southeast Asia. The first step to reducing your impact is understanding its various sources. Our carbon calculator, set in line with the GHG protocols, will help you measure your emissions. Here is a quick tutorial for easier navigation of our carbon calculator. We have customized the calculator to suit the needs of individuals and businesses. Click on the icon that is most applicable to your calculation. In this video, we will give you an example through an individual's perspective. Once you have done the same, you will be directed to this page. Again, click on the icon most applicable to you, whether you want to know details for yourself, family, or a group. We will go with individuals. We will then be directed to our calculator. First, please enter your details. Remember, entering your name, email ID, city, and country of residence is mandatory for accurate calculations. After entering all your details, click on the Next at the right-hand corner of the box. You will then be directed to the Travel section. We have categorized the different means of transport one could use. Please find all appropriate subsections and enter the necessary details under them. For example, if you use the local bus for travel, then you could input the distance in the first box. You can change the unit of measurement in the drop-down menu beside it. Lastly, choose the time frame of your calculation. Do you travel the 100 kilometers on a daily, weekly, monthly, or a yearly basis? Do the same for all relevant transportations. After entering all information, you can click on the Next button on the bottom right corner. This will take you to the Energy section of the calculator. Similar instructions are to be followed to navigate through this section as well. You can input all relevant details and then click on Next. The last section is on waste. To get accurate results, it is best to break down your waste and input the details accordingly. Before you click on Next, please draw your attention to the box on the right. You would have noticed that as you input the data, the box on the right displays your cumulative carbon dioxide equivalent emissions of your activities. In case you want to offset emissions from all sources, click on the Next or Click Here button. You can also view emissions from one particular source on the box on the right after putting in details only in one section. For example, here I have entered information only for the travel section. This changes my total carbon dioxide equivalent emissions accordingly. This also allows you to offset emissions from just one source as opposed to all. After clicking on the Next or Click Here button, you will be redirected to our projects page. You can view our various initiatives to mitigate climate change. Based on your total emissions displayed at the top of the page, you can choose from the various projects that we have to offer to offset your emissions. These projects are participatory based. The communities decide the necessities and we provide assistance in their endeavor to move to sustainable ways of living. Once you click on the project or projects of your choice, you will be navigated to the details of the project. In the box, input your total carbon dioxide emissions. You can choose to offset your emissions in one project or divide it between two or more of them. For example, I can divide my total of 0.14 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions in this project as 0.07 tons. Then click Add to Cart. And then go back to the shop page and view another project of my choice. Say this one. And then add the rest of the 0.07 tons and click Add to Cart. You can view the cart by clicking the View Cart button. Additionally, you can view the cart by clicking the top corner button. These two will direct you to our cart. Here, you can make the final edits. In case you make edits, remember to click on the Update Cart button. For example, if you want to make changes to the quantity or remove a project, make the changes and then update the cart. Once you're done, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. This will redirect you to this page. Enter all your relevant details. Note, the items with asterisks are mandatory to fill in. Remember to click on the I have agreed to the terms and conditions icon after you have read and understood them. Place your order and you will be redirected to our payments page. Pick your preferred mode of payment and proceed. Thank you for taking this important step to help the environment. Our community participants and us appreciate it. If you have any queries, please contact us. Our information is available on our website.